Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing it onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you how we make a copycat version of that Charlie Brown sauce that all Chinese restaurants use in our stir fries. So, follow me into my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. I'm all out of my Charlie Brown sauce, and I figured I'd be bringing you guys along, sit there and show you a copycat recipe that most Chinese restaurants do not want you to know. So shh and follow me. I'm going to teach you what they don't want you to know. You're going to be needing a half of a cup of the natural soy sauce alternative. Now, I'm going to be putting mine into a ball mason jar. Then we're going to be needing half a cup of the oyster sauce. Then we're going to be needing 1/4 cup of cooking wine. Then we're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of the sesame oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, let's add them 2 tablespoons of the sesame oil. One to 2 teaspoons of pepper. And the last ingredient, 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Now, grab yourself a spoon or a fork, and we're going to sit there and mix this all up. So I'll be back as soon as I'm all done mixing the cornstarch and all the other ingredients up, and we have a nice smooth sauce. Now, put a lid on it, tighten it up, put this in the fridge, and now anytime you need a stir-fry sauce, go ahead, grab your Charlie Brown sauce, and let's use it. Now, follow me into the next recipe, and I'm going to show you how we use our copycat Charlie Brown sauce. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. I love hearing what each and every one of you all have to sit there and say. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, y'all come back now, you hear? Happy cooking, but better yet, happy eating.